This is a quick review of the Housbay White Noise Generator. It comes with the unit itself, which is very small, compact. You get your USB powered cable with a barrel plug on the back and a wall adapter. Right now I've got mine plugged into a computer, and you could also power it if you wanted to with a power brick. So it's very compact, portable, and efficient in the sense that you can power it off a computer. It has a single 5-watt speaker right here in the middle. It's got a little rubber grip down at the bottom, and you can see it's kind of at an angle. The outside is made of plastic, but it's got a nice wood grain finish, and it's got kind of like makes it look like a natural wood. There's little ripples on the back of it. Overall, unit works great. Volume-wise, it goes from very quiet to very loud. There is one change suggestion I would make. We'll get into that in just a second. Ease of use, super simple. You've got a power button. Then you've got an option here for volume up or down. We have our white noise generator option. We have music, sounds, nature sounds. There's 17 here. You get 7 white noise. And then if I click on the fan, there are 7 fan noises also. And then if I hit the forwards or backwards button, it's going to rotate through those sounds. Very simple. And then the last option up here is going to be a timer. This is a turn off timer, not turn on. So we hit the timer, we get 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours when it will turn off. And then if I click it a 4th time, it just reverts to staying on full time. Overall, really simple to use. The one thing I wish it didn't have, since it is USB powered, it has this white cable that just kind of sticks out. You've got this really nice, elegant look. Maybe a brown or a black cable would just stick out a little bit less when it's on your nightstand like I have mine. The other thing is it's a barrel connector. If they just had a USB-C, or something like that, then it would be universal. If you lose this, then you're kind of SOL, unfortunately. If you have any questions or comment about the Housbay White Noise Generator, feel free to leave those below. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like. Always appreciate it. And share this with anybody who you think might find it interesting. Till next time, take care.